Now let's discuss the topic 2, computer intrusions. What is a computer intrusion? It is also called as network intrusion or cyber intrusion. It is basically an attempt to access a computer system in an unauthorized way. We all know and we all just now read about what is an unauthorized access to computers. So intrusion is a part of that accessing of unauthorized computers. Here the attacker, whenever the attacker attempt try to access the computer, that all comes under intrusions. So the person who tries to access the computer is called as intruder. Like if I am trying to access someone's computer, then I may be called as an intruder. And the next point is intrusions can be passive or active and can come from inside or outside the network. We all just said using of firewalls can save us from this type of networks. So what is meant by passive and active? Active means like Wi-Fi. In our mobile, Wi-Fi is an active. Like it should, when I'm doing something, it should always be on. In the same way, like passive messages may be in the same way. Like I can write and I can keep them. Whenever I want to send, I can send them. Passive intrusions mostly go undetected. Like just now I said, passive intrusions means like they are not like active. They need not to be kept on all the time. So if we keep them off, it's not a so issue. That's the reason they mostly go undetected. Intrusions can be detected by using active response and digital forensics. Like there are some sources by which we can detect is someone intruding or trying to access our systems, in which active response or digital forensics come into play. Some ways to respond to a computer intrusion are, let's see some ways where we can respond to a computer intruder. So clicking the images of the system data, RAM and hard disk. For example, if you click or take a screenshot of your system web page or system page, then you have to check that like time to time. Is my system system data or RAM is changing? If some intrusion has been taken place, there may be a chances of changing because they try to tamper the data present in our system. So clicking the images of the system data can help us, and powering off the device and disconnecting it from the network. Intrusion takes place from a network, as we have learned. So when we disconnect the network, then there may be chances of disconnecting from that intrusion. And the last point is restoring the device to normal state using backups. Like whenever we disconnect the network, and we should use the backups because we don't know what the data has been tampered. That's the reason when we restore the data from the backups, all sort of information which has been sent can be restored in our mobile back. That's it guys for the video. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please kindly share, subscribe and like.